This is really weird. I'm not used to vlogging anymore. But hi, I'm vlogging. Okay. Basically, this lighting sucks. So I'm vlogging. If you guys don't know yet, my mom and I are moving into an apartment, and I asked you guys on my Instagram, do you want me to vlog the process? And you guys were like, yes, do it. So I'm gonna try to vlog. I want to get into vlogging anyways, even though my life is not interesting at all. This is weird. Okay, I need to go straighten my hair a little bit. I wasn't gonna put on makeup, but I kind of want to fill my brows because I look so bad. So I'm using my old camera as a vlogging camera because it's perfect for vlogging. And it smooths my skin. It makes me look less disgusting. Little story about the house. We're getting the keys today, so that's why I'm vlogging today. It's 9:15 currently. We're getting the keys at like 9:45, I think. So that's exciting. We're gonna start walking over there in like 50 minutes. It's literally like a 5-minute walk from where I live right now. We're just going to live smaller because we live in like a 4-bedroom home right now, which is the home that I was like born in, grew up in, and it's time to just live smaller because my brother is moving out, my sister has moved out years ago, so it's just getting too big. So yeah, and I'm just gonna be moving with my mom. It's gonna be fun, just us two. I'm so excited. And so basically we get the keys today, and the person who's gonna be painting our walls is gonna come over as well, and like we're gonna like discuss everything. And I'm probably just gonna be chilling there every single day until we can move in, because I mean, it's exciting. Like, I don't ever want to like not be there. Like, I'm just gonna be there every day. But anyways, so on the 21st is when we get our floors installed, which is so annoying because literally we get the keys today, which it's the 7th today, or yeah, it was 11th. Almost got that wrong. You can imagine, like 7th to 21st, that's a long time. But hey, what can you do? We just have to be patient and wait. Do I want to fill my brows? I have 15 minutes. Actually, I have like 13. I'm not gonna do it. Oh my god, guys, look at this. I got this from the mail yesterday. This is the Lunar Beauty Lights to Draw palette. So when you read it. So basically, oh, I paid so much money for this. So the palette itself is $45, right? Shipping was $20. I was like, it's okay, it's okay. And then when they were delivering it, I had to pay another 40 euros. Like, that's like the, what's it called? Just like the extra fees or whatever, because it's like from America and like I clearly don't live there. So I paid a lot of fucking money for this shit. It's, oh my, it's so beautiful. It's literally gorgeous. It smells so good. It smells like new makeup. But yeah. So what I wanted to say is I want to try to vlog more because I feel like in my I feel like in my beauty videos, okay, like I'm totally myself in my videos. Like over the year and couple of months that I've been doing YouTube, I've definitely like got more comfortable, and I'm definitely myself behind the camera, like 100%. But I do feel like you're kind of seeing just like the really calm side of me, and the people that know me and that I'm close with know that I'm kind of crazy. I'm a little bit crazy, and I don't really show it in my videos because I don't know, like I'm just always very relaxed. I don't do my makeup, I'm just very chill. Sometimes it kind of shows through when I'm like really excited about something, but in general, like you're really seeing the calm side of me, and I want you guys to just get to know me better, you know, like I don't know what I'm saying. My feet got fucked up from my new shoes. I'm really gonna try not to swear, but this is really hard. But guess what? I'm wearing them today. So I'm gonna go grab some band-aids. Hello. We're gonna go to the apartment now. See ya.
Yeah.
The weather's so nice. Okay guys, so we just got into the apartment. They gave us like a tour of everything. It's kind of dark here because we don't have any light fixtures or anything like that. But we're here. So this is gonna be my mom's room. It's really cute. It's like really big and she has like a balcony. And the ceilings are like super high. And, oh, I was zoomed in, sorry. And then here's my room. Oh my god. This is my room, y'all. It is so freaking cute. It's pretty nice. It's pretty big. Like, it's not as big as what I currently have, but I'm gonna make it work. So I keep zooming in, sorry. Yeah. Here we are. How am I gonna do this? So we're here. I don't think you can even hear me because there are doors open. Maybe that's not a good idea. It was like poop on the window. So let's go swing. So yeah, so this is my room. It's super echoey. I'm sorry about that. Can I sit down? Yes. It's extremely echoey. But that's obviously because there's like no furniture in here. This angle is like, I need to pee so bad, but we don't have any toilet paper. So I think I'm actually gonna walk down to the store and get myself some toilet paper. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm excited to get my room together, but this is a better overview of my room. So the walls are gonna be white. We're gonna have a laminate floor. It's like a really pretty, like grayish beige, like a light color. It's gonna be really pretty. And I'm gonna have to edit out of my Instagram for soon more. I always have to like edit my floor and my Instagram pictures because I hate how it looks. I'm probably gonna partially vlog on my phone and then on my camera because I don't feel comfortable going out in public with my vlog camera. Okay, it's a bit more comfortable to like go out with my phone and vlog a little bit and then when I'm home. Oh my god, my face is so shiny. Okay. The door's still open. So I'm gonna go, literally there's like a grocery store right down. So that's nice. My feet already hurt. I'm gonna put on my flip-flops later because my feet fucking hurt. I feel like I'm walking really weird. Just got some toilet paper. There's people here. Oh god. My feet fucking hurt. I need to take my shoes off. Good thing I brought my flip-flops. What's so fucking hot outside? Please don't have anyone be in the fucking elevator. That would be really awkward. Thank God. You know, human contact is not cute. So, got my toilet paper. I'm sweating. My face is so bad. It's disgusting. Oh my god. Ew. I can't tell if it's oil or just dew. Okay, I have to be quiet because I don't want people to hear me vlogging. There's actually like student housing in this apartment as well, so like studios and stuff. Boys, if you live here and you know me, and probably don't because like no one knows me here yet, but like if you're cute, hit my line out. Or girls. Everyone's gonna be like, who the fuck? Almost probably like, what is that? Because the bell's so weird. Hello? I don't think she realized that's the new doorbell. She thought I was calling on the intercom. I need to take off my shoes. Oh! Ow! 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 Okay, so we're gonna go home really quickly because I literally just want to chill here all day. I'm lame like that and I don't have anything to do back home anyways. I kind of have to film a video, but like I don't really care. I can do that tomorrow too. Also, I put on my flip-flops because my feet literally are so painful right now. Yeah, so we're gonna go home and grab some stuff, like grab like a chair and so I can like chill here. I already brought like my laptop, my iPad, everything. Ew, what the fuck? The weather's really, really nice. Yeah, that's about it. Guys, so it's a little bit later and I'm back at the apartment and I'm FaceTiming Luca. Hey!
Hell no!
I can't wait to eat your ass in that room.
Anyways.
Nee, maar ik kan niet alleen... Oké, ja, je moet er zelf zoeken, want ik weet niet welke je hebt. Er zijn heel veel.
Oké,
Hey, bitch, fuck, bitch.
Okay, extra spice papers. This is super lekker. Paprika mix color off. Ain't nobody eating that shit.
Hey.
Wait, I think I'm gonna get it. Okay guys, so I got my food. And we're just gonna like dry it out. I don't know how that works. Not high enough. I can put it on something. I'm just gonna scratch down like this. Oh my god. And let's try it out. So these are potato wedges.
Oh, those are nasty.
Are they?
Yeah.
I got it with some chili sauce. Oh, it's like all fucking hot. And this is not chili sauce. This is fucking mayonnaise. What the fuck am I supposed to do with these? Why is it not vegan? Okay. I'm gonna just eat some dry potato wedges. Pretty good. Oh my. It's a little dry, and I wanted chili sauce, and I got fucking mayonnaise, so it's great. Okay. Let's try the pizza. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. There's a dead bug over there. Okay. Wow, okay. Wow, look at that. Break off a piece. So this is a vegan pizza. It's called their chili. No, it's called their spicy pizza. Let me get some. Cheers.
Bon appetit.
This is actually really good.
Hey, wat zou je doen als je gewoon zou eten en zouden allemaal tacos zijn?
Wat?
Weet je wat tacos betekent? Oké, doe maar.
Ew! Dummy, what the fuck are those?
Stukjes poep.
Oh my god, that is so... You know what? I don't eat ass. I'm good. Sounds like a problem for you.
Yeah, I got my ass ate.
Damn. So, this is my new lipstick. Let me swatch it. Next place. Let me get some water because it's a little bit dry. Most after me. I feel like spicy. Oh, good. Ew. He's picking his nose. Oh.
Oh my god, it's like
I'm keeping that in. Empty. We gotta have 2 more slices.
We are the champions. Don't laugh for Rudolph, 'cause we are the champion, my friend.
Okay. More down.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching.
So,
if you
I'm
enjoyed
ending
this
today's
video,
vlog,
please
but it's
give it
gonna...
a thumbs up.
Nee, de vlog is nog niet helemaal voorbij, alleen voor vandaag.
Oh, see ya tomorrow.
Yes, I just got home.
Basketball game tomorrow.
I got a basketball game tomorrow. I just got home and I'm gonna continue the vlog tomorrow because I'm tired and I don't have anything else to vlog. So I'm just gonna be chilling. I'm gonna FaceTime with this bitch. So see you guys tomorrow. I'll be at the apartment at like 12. I'm first gonna film a video. And then I'll be at the apartment at 12 and I'm gonna wait for my IKEA order. So oh. Oeh. Oeh. Heb je nou je geluid uitgezet? Swag. Swag out.
Swag out.
Swag out. Morning guys. So I just I'm all glammed up. Just filmed the video and I also just ate some breakfast. The weather is so shitty. My makeup looks so good, y'all. Oh my god. I look so much better than yesterday. The people from IKEA called me like around like 10:50 and I was recording. They were like, yeah, we can be there in 10 minutes. I was like, no, like you guys said you'd be there between 12 and 4. I can't be there until 12 because I just had to film. Like I wasn't gonna rush. So they were like, okay, we'll go to the next customer and then we'll be there at 12. So just got to the apartment and I changed into a different t-shirt because I was sweating so bad. Sorry, this is like really bright. I'm just gonna wait for the people from IKEA to come, and the weather right now literally sucks. It's raining so bad, but I think I'm gonna open the door because it's so, hello. Hey guys, so IKEA just came. I'm FaceTiming Luca. I will show you. I didn't realize how tall my closet is going to be. Look at that. Let me see if I can show you. It's literally so big. I don't know how I'm going to be grabbing my clothes and stuff. What? How? Like it's all the way up here. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but yeah, they delivered all my stuff. I'm vlogging right now, so say hi to the vlog. Someone said, hey vlog. It's not even focusing.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times.
Guys, I'm so sorry for not vlogging yesterday. It was just because I didn't feel that good, so I just didn't feel like vlogging. But I'm actually gonna end the vlog here. I did want to film a little end clip to the vlog, yeah, I'll be vlogging more of the moving process. Maybe it'll be up next week or the week after, kind of depends, because obviously we can't do that much right now because the floors aren't put in yet. So yeah, but I just want to say thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more vlogs. Oh my god, my arm's getting tired. Also make sure to subscribe and turn on my post notifications so that you'll never miss an upload. And yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.